Is auto lock grayed out on your iPhone? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step, right on the screen. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Here, find Auto Lock. If it's grayed out and you can't tap it, don't worry, that's what we're fixing. The most common reason it's disabled is low power mode. So now, let's quickly turn off low power mode and bring Auto Lock back. Go back to the main settings screen by tapping the blue back arrow at the top left until you see the full list again. Now, scroll down and tap Battery. On the battery screen, find low power mode and toggle it off so the switch is no longer yellow. Now go back to Settings, then Display and Brightness again. Check Auto Lock one more time. It should no longer be grayed out, and you can tap it normally. Choose the Auto Lock time you prefer, and you're done. Auto Lock fixed. If this helped, hit like and save this for later.